Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price is moving in falling channel along with price taking trendline support indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, crude oil price has taken lower Bollinger Band important support at $80 and break below is the final confirmation of trend reversal for a target of $75 on downside. On the upside, key resistance hold at $85 and break above will surge the price further up till $95 in near term. MCX crude oil price is forming lower high lower low formation as per above chart. However, key support hold at 6,680 level on downside and break below will drag the price down till 6,400 and 6,100 level. On the other hand, if market fails to break the support and sustain above 7,000 level, fresh leg of upside would be witnessed till 7,300 level in near term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.